welcome back. I'm Jenny and I just got more plant mail, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to open this package I received earlier this afternoon from Gabriella's Plants. It's a very reputable nursery located in Central Florida. They have all kinds of exotic cool stuff, and they do like special drops and secret drops almost every day of the week. So I think they're definitely worth checking out. I'm excited to open up this package because I hear just the quality of their plants is always, you know, perfect, and yeah, they have really great reviews. So I want to open this right now because it's like opening a Christmas present every time. You don't know. Well, you know what to expect, but you don't know how it's going to look, so it's always really exciting. Oh, there's a little dirt already. But yeah, I just grabbed a couple plants here, a couple that I don't have in my collection yet, and they're really cool looking, and I don't know, just don't have them. I don't have them yet, and I need all the plants, so. The package arrived really quickly, I think in like 2-3 days, which is good because you never want your plants in the mail too long, right? Judge me. Awesome, how cute. It says, "Smile, your plant has arrived home." Yay! It's cute, it has a little card. And it has the people who grew them and packed them. That's really cute. And yeah, it just gives you instructions on, you know, carefully inspect your plants, and I don't know, it's just care tips on your new babies. So these are, you know, the first couple packages I received were only cuttings. So I have like, these are my first pot and soil rooted plants in the mail. Alright, so this is a Hoya Retusa. It's like a grass, the grass Hoya. I don't know, I thought it'd be bigger and fuller than this, but it's an okay shape. I'm not like super excited about it, but whatever. I don't have this in my collection. Hopefully I can grow it and have a fuller plant shortly. But yes, my first Hoya. They do, when they're healthy, they do bloom these cute little tiny flowers that have like a nice fragrance. So that was okay. Not that exciting, just saying. This one is a little bigger. Already looks like in a nice, better shape. A fuller plant. Ooh, this one's pretty. I'm happy about this one. This one's a Philodendron narrow, or a tiger's tooth philodendron. So nice, beautiful green, large leaves. It has a healthy leaf coming in as well. So they're packaged pretty well. There's not a lot of loose soil, so they're healthy. I wish this one was fuller, like pictured, but obviously, you know, you can't have everything that's exactly pictured, right, from the nursery. But they're both healthy, so that's all I can ask for. And this one's beautiful. It has a large leaf coming in, so. All right, so a couple new plant babes from Gabriella Plants. I'm fairly happy here. You know, you can't always have such high expectations when you order plants in the mail. So you always have to keep that in mind. So you can't be disappointed. All you can ask for is that your plants are healthy and that you can grow them larger yourself. Stay tuned for updates on my cool new plants. I hope hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and join me again for some future plant mail. Night.